Hi, I'm Brian from Hot Sauces and More, and today we're going to be cooking some wagyu 8-9 score filet mignon. They're going to be seasoned with golden toad prime steak rub. So you want to throw a little generous coat down on the tops and the bottom of them. Pat it in there, flip it over, put a nice coat on them, pat them dry, and now let's go get the egg up to 275. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes to check up on them. And now we're gonna be doing some 7-ounce lobster tails. We're gonna be butterflying them, and we're gonna do a cilantro, garlic, jalapeno butter on top of them. So first you wanna cut down the back of the lobster tail. Make sure the cut goes all the way back. And now what you wanna do, get your finger in there, reach inside, pull out the meat, and then place the meat on top. 2 lobster tails, butterflied. Let's get the egg up to 350 degrees indirect temperature. Let's go throw the lobsters on the egg, and we'll come back in 3 minutes and check on them. So it's been 3 minutes in. Let's see what we got going. Mix the butter around a little bit. Our first base. Help get that nice color on there. And we'll come back in another 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check on the filets on the egg. They look good. Let's pull out the conveggtor and let's get the grill up to 400 to 500 degrees and sear each side for 2 minutes. 3 minutes has gone by. Let's check our lobster. Looking good. Ready for another base. Lobsters this big take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Okay, let's check in the filets. Filets look perfectly done. We'll pull them off. We'll let them rest about 5-10 minutes. Okay, it's been another 3 minutes. So we're putting in our final base of the butter on the lobster. So we want about 150 degrees. So it's 150, perfect temperature to pull them. So we'll add them to our fillets. So there's some surf and turf. Filet mignon and lobster tail. Doesn't get any better than that.